Hi there, it's Grant here. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk a little bit about how much the various sort of plans are with ClickFunnels. Going to talk about a little bit about what the new ClickFunnels 2.0 does and whether, in my own opinion, it is worth it, because I've had ClickFunnels 2.0 since the launch in October. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So, basically, there's various plans. There's basically 3 core plans you can get with ClickFunnels, or the ClickFunnels 2.0 now. And also, you can either pay monthly or just pay annually. But basically, if we look at the monthly plans, you've got the basic plan, you've got the pro, then you've got the full-blown funnel hacker plan. And whichever one you choose, you do get a free 14-day trial to try it, see if you like it, and then if you do, you go on to a paid plan. So if we're looking at the monthly plans, and I do believe the majority of people are going to pay monthly, because it just means you can spread your costs out, especially if you're starting. So the basic plan after your 14-day trial is going to be $147 a month, and basically you're going to basically get all of this. I'm not going to read it all out because you can do it yourself, but you're going to get all of this here. Now, the next plan you get is the pro plan, which is probably going to be the most popular. It's right slap bang in the middle. This is $197 a month, and you basically just get more of the basic. You're going to still get one website, but you can create more funnels, have more admin users, have more domains, be able to store more courses, blah de blah de blah. And the final one is the funnel hacker plan, which is the full-on one. It's pretty much unlimited. This is $297 per month, and you just get the whole shebang with that. This is probably going to be for a fully established business, or someone who knows they want ClickFunnels 2.0 and they're going to go all in right from the start. And again, this is $297 a month. And just to reiterate or confirm, you do get a free 14-day trial, whichever plan you decide to use. You also get your discounted annual plans. A good thing with the annual plans is you do get a discount. And the number you see here is basically the monthly cost, but discounted. But after your free trial, you will be paying 12 months up front, but albeit you do get a discount. So I'm not going to go through, what the plans are, and you can check them out yourself. The basic is $127 a month, pro $157 a month, and funnel hacker $208 a month. And you do actually get a pretty decent discount. And obviously the funnel hacker gives you the biggest discount. So yeah, that's pretty much the free plans you get. And you get annual as well as the monthly plan. And my browser is stuck for some known reason, which is great. So yeah, that is everything you get with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you inside ClickFunnels 2.0 and just talk a bit about it. Now, do I think ClickFunnels 2.0 is worth it? Well, at the end of the day, if you want to, do lead generation, sell your own products and services, you're going to need landing pages needed in order to collect leads and in order to sell your stuff. And the good thing about ClickFunnels is ClickFunnels does it all. And really, you got 2 options. Well, you got a couple of options. One option is to get loads of different pieces of software, bind it all together and make it work, which can get expensive. You can get a developer to sort of design and build all your funnel pages for you and make them work, but that can get extremely expensive and tedious and time consuming. But the good thing about ClickFunnels 2.0 is that ClickFunnels 2.0 has everything in one place. You can build your blog, you can build all your funnels, you can store all your courses, and the list goes on. You can set up all your payments. It does it all from one piece of software. And whilst Some people might say, well, ClickFunnels is quite expensive. At the end of the day, if you've got a real business and it's earning money, ClickFunnels 2.0 is going to actually save you a ton of money, and it's going to be your partner as you grow your business. So, if we look at all the other options, I mean, there is other software on the market. You got GrooveFunnels, which is similar to ClickFunnels 2.0. You got Lead Pages, and you could also get a developer to build it. But I've been a long time ClickFunnels user now, and I just like ClickFunnels. The support with ClickFunnels is awesome. If I've got a problem and I drop a message in support, I usually get a reply within an hour. They're super helpful, and usually I get it fixed within a couple of hours, if not sooner. I've always found ClickFunnels to be pretty easy to use. I really like ClickFunnels. Now, you need to try it out for yourself to see if you like it or not. But the fact that you're watching this video probably means, you're semi-committed to, getting at least trialing ClickFunnels to see if it works for your business. So what I'll do is just show you around very quickly. So this is the ClickFunnels sort of homepage. This is where all your sites and funnels will be. I'm not going to go in depth here. So this is basically where you're going to build your blog if you want one. This is where you're going to keep your funnels, all your pages, courses, domains, URLs. You just go home here. This is where you're going to keep all your products, where you can see all your orders, where you're going to keep all your contacts, this is all your analytics. It's where you get your marketing, where you do your email marketing. It's where you're going to see all your sales. These are all your settings, and this is all your payment gateways here. Now, I'm not going to really go in deeper. I'll do another video down the road of giving you a deep dive into what ClickFunnels does. But really, you're just here for the pricing, which I've shown you. And this is just like a look inside ClickFunnels 2.0. Final thoughts on ClickFunnels 2.0. I really like it. I trust the company. Support is awesome. With anything like this, support has got to be up to scratch. If support isn't any good, then it's going to make your experience for a product pretty sour. But ClickFunnels, in my opinion, have got the best support in the business. I know the team pretty well because I did happen to work at ClickFunnels a couple of years ago as a media buyer. I know the guys are super passionate, super committed. And ClickFunnels is going to be the biggest sort of funnel and landing page software, a website builder on the market in the next couple of years. So if you start using ClickFunnels, you're going to be in very good company and well looked after. So if you want to, take a trial out of ClickFunnels and, you want to decided, I want to be with ClickFunnels, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down in the description. So click the link in the description, choose your plan. You'll get your free 14-day trial. If you like it, you'll go into your pay plan and off you go. I can't recommend it more than enough. I think it's brilliant. I get a big thumbs up from me. So why not give ClickFunnels a go? I'll put a link to the page in the description so you can grab your free 14-day trial. Anyway, I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.